Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick video. I forgot to show you what I got from Ollie's, and it's 3 new molds. So this one was $1.99 and it's just a regular cone. I haven't figured out what I can do with this yet. And this is also $1.99, but there's 2 trinket dishes in there. So, and I think sometime this week I'm gonna make a cram load of trinket boxes. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. Oh, there's always something. Well, you can see what that looks like, so. Wow, there's already hair in it. That's the lid. It's nice and square. No, nothing fancy, but I'll make it fancy. There's a round one. And they're both very shiny inside. Wait, what is this? Oh, I thought it was broke. That's the lid for that. So, we'll see what I can do. Okay, that's it. Thank you for stopping by. Have a great week. Have a great day. Namaste.